set of functions that enhance its querying and data manipulation capabilities. Here are the key types of SQL functions. Common aggregate functions. Functions like count, sum, average, min, and marks allow us to perform calculations on a set of values. For instance, count returns the number of rows in a group, while sum calculates the total of a numeric column. String then string functions. SQL provides functions for manipulating text data. Concat is for concatenating the strings. Substring extract a portion of a string. The upper and lower convert text to uppercase and lowercase respectively. Date and time functions. SQL allows us to work with dates and times effectively. Date function extracts the date from a date time value. Date adds a specified interval to a date, and date diff calculates the difference between two dates. By leveraging these functions, we can conduct complex data analysis, performing calculations on data sets, and format information in various ways. Understanding and utilizing SQL functions and expanding our ability to extract valuable insights and make informed decisions based on the data stored in our databases.